Hi, this is Rangnath. In this training video, I'm going to talk about few misconceptions that photos are not getting saved in students and staff, and I will also show you how to add any additional information in the fee receipt, so that like say in this example, GST number in the fee receipt. Any information you want to display to all the parents in the receipt, you can directly add them by editing the fee receipt template. So I'll just start with the demo. So first thing is, when we upload the student photos, some few clients complain that the photo is not getting updated. I will tell you the real reason behind it. Generally, when you purchase the software, we help you import the student data. So when you import the student data, see there are almost around 20 plus fields in the software. The very basic details gets imported in the software. Many other details won't be imported. In which case, so some information won't be available. Say for example, now I want to upload a photo for a particular student. So we edit a particular student, and then for this student, so we go to personal details tab and we click on add photo. So when you add photo, you have to select the location where you have the student photo available. Just go to the location where photos are there. I'll just select on photo and I'll click on upload. So you can see that the photo is uploaded. At the same time, you can see in the top joining class list validation error value is required. Say once you upload the photo, if you simply ignore and click on update, this photo won't be saved in the database. Okay, so you have to add all the mandatory fields in the student record so that all the data gets saved and even the photo gets saved. So here it is saying joining class list. You can see that joining class is here. So currently student is studying in ninth standard, and when did they join during the admission, so that class you have to select from this list, or if you don't know, you can simply set it to the same standard and click on update. So when you upload the photo, you should get a proper message saying student updated successfully. If you don't get this message, it means that the photo is not saved in the database. So only because the joining class is not set and you are not paying attention to, or any mandatory field is not set, it will show such an error message. And if you simply ignore by just looking at that photo is uploaded, it will not be saved. So next time when you log in, it won't be available. So this is one of the reason. Just update. So Ananya MacQ will just log out and come back and check in the ninth standard A section whether that student photo is updated or not. Go back and go to student information, students. Since we have set all the details required data properly, that photo should be available. So I'll select Ananya MacQ and I'll click on edit. So you can see the student photo is available. So let's say later date, you want to change the student photo. Let's check whether that is also getting saved. I'll just select a student. I'll just click on upload. Okay, the student data is updated. Then finally we have to click on update button. Just by uploading the photo, it won't be saved. You have to click on the update button as well, and you should see in the top the student updated successfully message. If that message, if you see, it means that the photo is uploaded properly. And while uploading the photo, you should ensure that photo is in jpg format, not jpeg, and photo size must be less than 500 kb. If photo is 1 MB 2 MB size, even in that case the photos won't be saved in the database. So please ensure that the file size is less than 512 kilobytes. So you can see that all the photos that we have, so they are less than 163 kb, 227 kb, 212 kb, 167 kb. So if it is more, say here it is 1.9 MB, so that big photos won't be uploaded in the software. So ensure that photos are of lesser size, it's in kilobytes, less than 512 kilobytes, and the format is JPG, not JPEG. JPG or PNG formats are supported. Okay, and ensure that all the data student record gets saved properly in the database. Okay, so then, so I have updated the photo one more time. Let's see once we log out and log in whether we are able to see the updated photo. I just logged in. I'll go to student information. We select the ninth standard, same student, and Anya Matthew. So updated photo must be available. We can see that it is available. In some cases, due to browser caching, if the photos are not getting saved or the latest updated photo is not visible, then you go to history tab in the Google Chrome and then go to, let me select history, then go to history again and then delete browser data, and in that select all time and only select, don't select browser history, all that, cached images and files, because you need rest of the things, so that you need not enter every time. Select cached images and files and click on delete data. So this would delete all the previous cached image files, and any latest photos that are uploaded will be available instantly after you doing this. Okay, sometimes it might even be a browser issue. So this is how you will ensure that all the photos that you have uploaded are properly available for you to refer to that, and also for you to generate the student ID card and rest of the stuff. And similarly, in case of staff, when you update, you ensure that all the mandatory data is uploaded in the staff, so that you don't get any error message when you update the student photo. Just click on update, so the teacher photo is updated. Even we can change the photo, just taking first sample example. See, I just uploaded it and I click on update. So we did not see the updated photo, as I said. So I'll select this PNG file and I'll click on open and I'll click on update. See, even though we are updating in the staff, this photo is not visible. So why? Because it is cached in the browser. I just updated. See, now you can see here it is still showing the old photo. So I'll just control F5, so it will refresh the browser history. So this is the reason why you are not seeing the uploaded photo in sometimes in case of staff and then sometimes in case of students. To completely make this work, you can even clear the browser data, history, image history, and then that data gets updated. So let me do that. See, in the staff we don't see that updated comic image which we have put, that information, that photo is not yet visible. Let's check again whether updated photo is visible or not. I click on find and click on edit. So when I do this, it is available, but it is not available in the staff details. So let's go to our settings, history, and delete browser data and cached image and files. We select that and then we delete that data. So now we deleted. Let's refresh the page. See if our staff photo has been updated. See, now it is updated. So sometimes browser is also the culprit, since photos generally won't change. Just not to send the same request again and again, requesting the same photo, browsers will cache those photos within the browser cache location. So if you clear that, it will show the latest updated photo. So this is the reason you sometimes you are not able to see the updated photos in staff and students. So I hope so this helps you to solve this problem. It is not a software problem, it is more of a usability issue and the browser issue. First instance is when you are not setting all the mandatory fields for the staff and students, and you are assuming that the photo is uploaded. So you have to ensure that all the data are set properly and you have uploaded the photo and you have clicked on update button and you don't see any error message while updating the record. That is the first case. And the second case is when you have uploaded everything done properly, still the software shows the old photo. It is because that photo has been cached in the browser memory, so that you have to clear. So once you clear that, clear the history by going to delete browser history in the Chrome history, and you only select the cached images and files and click on delete data, so you will have the latest photo visible. And the next thing that we are going to go about is, if you want to display any additional information in the fee receipt, if there are no columns that are available in the software school admin settings or in the receipt settings or in the fee payment, you can directly edit the report, student report. See, I have copied the student report from open office. I have taken the student payment receipts, and I have copied that to another folder, student payment receipt. So now I'm going to add a GST number. So this is what the customer wants. So for that matter, you can even add fee dues or any holiday reminders or any upcoming events. All such information you can add in the receipt, so when parents take home, so they can just look at it and take any necessary action based on that. So now here, if you want to display the GST number, I have copied our GST number. I'll just copy paste this, and let's see if this information gets printed in the receipt. I copy this and I will paste it here, and I will save this. So student payment receipt.odt. So this is the file, the template file. So I have made the changes here, and again we have to put back this file in the place where, in the school admin folder where this particular template is there. So I replaced it, and ensure that these files are, you are going to edit only using the open office software. It is a free open source software, so in which you can edit all school admin reports. You can download your Apache open office 4 to edit school admin templates, any report templates. Okay, so I have replaced it. Let's see whether we are able to get the GST number in the receipt. So I have students in 6th standard and 9th standard in this demo setup. I'll select 9th standard A section, and I'll select one student. For all the receipts, that information will be printed. So GST number, I have clicked on pay fees, and you can see that payment made successfully, and I'll click on print receipt. So now you can see that in the receipt header, GST number which just now we added, it is visible. You can change the font color, you can change the alignment, and you can increase the font and do whatever the options that are provided by OpenOffice. So in this video session, we covered the topics such as why student photos are sometimes not visible due to human error, and second thing is browser is caching the photos. So in both the cases, in staff and students, we might face this issue. So you have to carefully update all the information and save properly, and also ensure the files are of JPG or PNG format. It is not JPEG or ZIP format. And if you want to edit any GST number or put any messages or any event details in the fee receipts, you can do so by directly editing the fee receipt by copying that to a totally different location and making any necessary modification and putting that receipt back to the original location where the school admin receipt folder is found. So you can go to start menu and search for school admin reports folder, and there you can replace the file. And next time when you generate the receipt, so that that particular receipt will have the GST number as well. So I covered all the topics that we wanted to discuss in this particular video. So this is Ranganath. I am the product manager at MarvelSoft. If you have any such queries or the problems or issues that you are facing, please do send an email to us so that we can address such issues or concerns in a timely manner. Most of the time, these are the usability issues or some technical issues which might need some amount of learning from your end. So please do not hesitate. Please share the information so that we can make your experience better. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and as well as like it. And if you want to send email to us, send it to support@marvelsoft.co.in, or you can WhatsApp to +919535041234. Again, this is Ranganath, product manager at Marvelsoft. Thank you so much. Bye bye.